All right. So this is the way it's gonna be. So this is the gonna be the hose bib. I'm gonna use a female adapter to put over here. Okay. So that's the way it's gonna be look like. Let's do it. So you need to clean, to make sure you clean the filling. Okay. So just clean it. All right, let's do it. So I clean my tank, and also so clean this one a little bit. All right. What they call that flux. That's supposed to be there. Little bit of flux too in the filling. Okay. They call that female adapter. The size is three quarter. Okay. That's a 3/4 female adapter, and this is gonna be fit in there. See that? Very easy. And now I'm gonna use my fryer so I can sweat it back. Sweat it back. We're gonna sweat it back. That's pretty much. Okay. And clean it. Let it cool off. And that's ready for this. All right. So now that thing is ready. I'm gonna put a little bit of tape. They call that Teflon. That's a Teflon tape. So I'm gonna put a little bit of Teflon. Little bit of Teflon tape. All right. The video is gonna be a little too long for me, but trying. Okay. Put a little bit of tape, and this thing is ready to go. Ready to go. All right, just snug it a little bit. Snug it a little bit.